कम से कम पानी में दे सफाई बेशुमार। इसमें है नेचुरल ऑयल, ये कपड़ों के संग हाथों का भी रखे ख्याल, तो आज ही करें इस्तेमाल। ओसवाल ओसवाल ओसवाल
ओसवाल, हर रिश्ते का रखे ख्याल।
Question number 1. Rupees 1000 crore worth of transactions were detected as a financial irregularity transaction in cooperative societies. Why Karnataka government is watching all these with closed eyes? The 40% Bomai Sarkara Commission Sarkara was watching all these things with a closed eyes. Why Karnataka government is silent and mum on rupees 1000 crore worth of financial irregularity happened in cooperative banks and cooperative societies of those banks, and Karnataka government is silent? This is question number 1. Question number 2. Why CBDT till now, even after noticing that 1000 crore rupees of worth financial irregularity is there, why CBDT had not issued any notice to the cooperative department and cooperative minister of the Karnataka government? Why he is not called for investigation? Is CBDT is having fear of anyone? Or is CBDT is not given directive by someone to do this kind of investigation? Question number 3, which is very important, that is the only objective of masking these kind of transactions is to receive 40% commission by the 40% commission Sarkara. Because you want to convert a transaction into cash, you want to convert your check or demand draft into cash, and you are masking the entire transaction. Where this money is going? The people of Karnataka wants to know. Question number 4. In February 2023, when the question was raised to the cooperative minister regarding financial frauds in cooperative banks, it was recommended that the case will be transferred to CBI. 2 months had passed. What is the status? Why the case was not transferred, or if it is transferred, what kind of investigation was done in last 2 months? And the last question, that several cases of frauds in cooperative banks was reported in Karnataka in last 3 to 4 years, but nothing is evident on the ground for the prevention of this kind of black money generation with the help of bogus expenses. Is this pure sanyog or a prayog by the Bharatiya Janata Party or 40% commission Sarkara?
ओसवाल फूल झाड़ू, शादी और ये दोनों ही लंबे चलेंगे।
ओसवाल फूल झाड़ू, ओसवाल, हर रिश्ते का रखे ख्याल।